Hey guys, welcome to Two Split. Today we are talking about, what are we talking about? Nothing? We're talking about nothing. I mean, literally nothing. I know it sounds weird, but we are talking about the company Nothing that's started by Carl Pei, co-founder of OnePlus, that company I used to love. I'll explain in a minute. Roll the intro. Like I said, we're talking about nothing. So Carl Pei, who is the co-founder of OnePlus, a company I used to love. Why I used to love? Because they were the champions of the underdog. They used to make flagship products at retail cheaper price. We used to buck the system, never settle. Who needs a Samsung or Apple when you can buy a OnePlus? Well, that changed. Now every OnePlus is a mainstream phone, almost $1,000 or north. Yeah, but stuff happens. That's what happens when a brand grows and exceeds. It just needs to make money at some point, I suppose. They were making money, but now they have a following. I digress. Back to Nothing. The company, which Carl Pei has moved on, his new venture capital, where he's got some big names to back this venture and start a new product company. And their mission, yeah, I'm not gonna read their mission. Just know that they wanna, what's that line they said? They wanna take away the lines between the borders between technology and humans or something, whatever that means. What I like about this, on a serious note though, is that Carl Pei is really good at branding, kind of like OnePlus. If you look at the OnePlus dynamics, how they grew that brand, it's similar to what he's doing here, how they got the best of the best in terms of YouTube pushers to drive the product. Their first product called the Nothing Ear 1. This product didn't exist, but it had so much buzz on the internet that they had people wanting to buy it. What is it? The Ear 1 is pretty much earbuds. It's supposed to be, it's semi-transparent. It's supposed to be light, supposed to be the best thing since sliced bread. Whoever came up with that phrase should be shot. Sliced bread is easy to make, you just cut the bread. Never mind. So, what are the features they're looking at? It has ANC, it's really light. The battery should last for about 4 hours, give or take, with ANC on, maybe a little longer, 5.7, ANC off. And it has great design, which is what they're really pushing. That whole theme of clarity, you can see the insides of the tech for $100. That's another great, so you can see the whole OnePlus story coming around again. We want to give you the great features, but we want to give them to you at a price you can't afford. However, the hype for this thing has been through the roof, and they're not just selling it to anyone. They're doing special drops once they came out, where you can only get 100 here or 1,000 there. Oh, go to that website, go over there, which is annoying some people online, me included. But we have ordered it. Okay, by we, I mean I got a friend to order it. I didn't order it. So when he gets it, we're gonna do a hands-on full review of what the Nothing Air 1 really is in real-world testing. I've done some sampling online to see what the reviews are. So far they've been, to be honest, meh. In their reviews, I don't know if it's beef or, but if you think about the price versus the value it's supposedly bringing, lower than all the mainstream Samsungs and Apples out there, I think they may have something going for it. I mean, let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Again, I will get my copy. Most of the stuff my friends, we buy, we borrow. I'm not a mainstream YouTuber. I do this for the rush. The fans are just a bonus. Shout out to Octane Apex Legends. You guys let me know what you think in the comments below. I will see you when I get the Nothing Ear 1 in the studio or in the next video. You guys take care.